Hi, I'm Andy and I'm here with the HTC Desire HD. In our last video, we showed you how to find a way around your phone. In this video, we've got some useful hints and tips on how to fully personalise it with apps, games and widgets. There's two main ways to personalise your handset. The first way is to select the palette button in the bottom corner here, which will bring up all your personalisation options. Or the next way is to press and hold on any blank bit of the screen. So we press and hold here, it'll bring us the same menu up. The first section for personalisation we'll see is our scene, our wallpaper and our skins. So what we can do here is, if we just want to change the skin of the phone, we select here and we can change it to a different setup. So we've got metal, slate, wood. For this example we're going to change it to the wood one. So if we select apply here, you'll see now we've got this wooden effect to the phone. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to add a widget to the home screen. So the first thing we need to do is find a blank screen, and then press and hold on the screen. This will bring you up on options here. We've got widgets, apps, shortcuts and folders. So a widget is an application that we use on the home screen that will use the internet to automatically push live information to your handset. I'm just going to show you an example of that now. If we select widget, then scroll all the way down to the bottom and we select weather. So here we've got three different versions of the widget we can use. We've got the large version, the medium version and the small one. First I'm going to use the large one here, click select. What this will do is it'll find the city we're in automatically using the GPS and tell you the weather and then for the next couple of days. What we can also do, if you live in one city and you work in another city, you can add different cities and it'll tell you the weather in more than one city. Now if you want to remove the widget, it's very similar to how you added it. If you press and hold down on it, then drag it to remove and then let go, it'll delete the widget there. So the next thing we need to do is we can add an app to the home screen. So like we did before, we press and hold down on the screen, then select app. We've got a list of all the applications we've got on the handset. In this instance, I'm going to add my favourite game to the home screen. So if we press Angry Birds, we've now got Angry Birds on the screen. The next thing I'm going to show you to add is how to add a shortcut. So these are really useful whether it wants to be a link to your favourite website or your favourite contact, just so you've got that one click away. So to add it, again, press and hold down on the screen, then select shortcut. And for this one, I'm going to add a bookmark first. So if we select bookmark, then our favourite website, so we'll have Wikipedia on this one. And here we've got the Wikipedia bookmark at the top. I'm going to add another one now, I'm going to add a contact. So this time we're going to the screen a bit different. I'm going to use the palette tab in the bottom right corner. Then select shortcut. And this time a direct dial. So if we select that, then add a contact here, and select the number. Now if we need to call Lisa, all we need to do is select on the screen there. So next thing I'm going to show you is how to add a folder. These can be really useful when you've got a lot of stuff on your screen and you need to tidy up a bit. So what we can do is press and hold on the screen and select folder. And here you can have different choices. What we're going to select here is new folder. And you can see now it's been selected on the screen. To put stuff into the folder, all you need to do is press and hold down on it, then drag it into the folder. Then to open that folder, if we press select, and you'll see here all our shortcuts and apps there. All you need to do then to rename the folder is press and hold on where it says folder. Once you've named your folder, if you click OK, you can now see your folders called My Apps there. So that's my phone fully customised. You don't have to do it exactly the same as me. Why don't you give it a go and set yours up however you like. So that's the HTC Desire HD. For more help and support, please visit help.htc.com.
www.vodafone.co.uk.